Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a unique and surprising method actually that we can simply put together some website and then maximizing the result from copy and paste method that I will share you in today's video. So the video or the method that I'm going to share with you is really unique and it's really fascinating because it doesn't need your skills, it doesn't need your location, it doesn't need your, for example, um, your money actually. So it is in a two-field free system and free method actually that you can simply implement. Just give a short amount of time per day actually, so then you can maximize the result from that right away here. But the main thing and the main problem with this method and this strategy is that actually that you need to be consistent. If you become consistent, so you are good to go and you can earn money. So I will just give you as an example of CPA Grip or Offer Vault, but you can use any website you are preparing for CPA marketing, so you are good to go with that. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to share with you step by step right away here that how we can do that and how we can put together and how people are making money. And I will also show you my result on the website, that how many views and how many engagement and how much I can do that over there step by step right over here. So let's begin the strategy and not further waste the time that how exactly the method and strategy is working. The first step is that you need to sign up with cpagrip.com or offervault.com or cpalead.com. So it depends on you which website you are preferring or you like that or it's available in your country, so you can simply go there. Once you go there, once you log in to sign up and then you log into your account right here on CPA Grip, so you can simply see multiple offers right here from different countries that people are promoting and they are making money from that right away here. So the best and the coolest way about CPA marketing is that you are preparing the offers to someone and even they are not spending the money, they just simply sign up for an email address, so you are making money. So that is the good thing about CPA marketing. But affiliate marketing is the way that person or the client have to purchase the content or the product, and that way you will get the commission. But in CPA marketing, it is the only thing that they need to sign up, and for the his or her sign up you are earning the money from that right away here. So that is the beauty of CPA marketing right here. So once you log into your account, you can simply just tap in the search for example, a gift. You can simply type it a gift card. Okay, so once you tap the gift card right away here, so all the gift cards will be available right here. As you can simply see here, enter for a $750 𝐶𝐮 gift card today. Okay, so this offer is for the New Zealand right here, and here's another offer for Italy, which is for TC for that is Italian language, so I cannot say that. So I can understand that it is for 100 euros per McDonald. Okay, so that is the gift card right here. And here is another one for the United Kingdom right here. You can simply see here, get a 500 Shell gift card right here. Okay, so by this way, you can simply find multiple offers right here or multiple gift cards right here from different countries. So once you just find it out, anyone right here, for example, I like this one. This is for the US. So you can simply have it for the multiple countries, so it will be good. So here you can simply find it out that what country they required, what they required. So simply they require the email submit, then we are earning money from that right away here. And this is the amount of money, $2.05 we can earn from the person who signed up through our link right here. And here is the conversion or date added offer right here, that from this date it is sign up, sorry, added to the cpagrip.com. Here you can simply change the link if you want, but we don't want to change the link. If you want, so it is good, then you can simply copy the link. So by this way, one by one, you can simply copy the link from different offers right here. And the same way, you can also go to the offer vault and you can simply type, for example, gift card. You can simply type it and then you can simply search that, and once you do that, then you will have all the gift cards right here. For example, gift card for $1,000 SOI for the US, which you will be paid for $3, and that will require a US traffic, and the network will be private CPA. The only problem with Offer Vault is that you need to sign up for each individual network right here, and then you can simply promote the offers. But with CPA Grip, it's not the same like that. You just need to sign up for one CPA Grip account, and then you can simply copy the links from different offers and start promoting. So that is also a great option for CPA Grip, and the most easy way that we can make money with CPA marketing right here. So once you just copy multiple links from multiple offers right here, then you need to pass it from the link tree right here. Okay, you need to create an account like similar to my one right here, and then you can simply add the offers right here. For example, this is a get a 750 Walmart gift card, Canada only. So remember, if it is available for any country, you just need to add the country name, because if other people from US people just sign up, so you will not earn any single money for that. But if you've written the name right here, so only those people from that country can sign up, because they will easily understand that I can join this gift card, and I can earn or I can win, for example, that right here. So that's why they are trying for their country and we are trying for our money, something like that right here. So we can simply add multiple accounts or multiple offers from multiple or different countries right here. We can simply add. Once we add that multiple gift cards, then we can simply copy the link from the top right here. For example, we can simply just copy the link from the top right here. And once we copy that, then we can simply just start promoting the offers right away here. So the first tip is that once you set up this system, this will be something like a two-pilot system. You can simply add to the network, and then you are good to go with that. So the first tip is that you simply go to Pinterest.com right here. So here you can clearly see that this is my Pinterest account right here, and I only have 299 followers on Pinterest, as you can simply see here. And here is monthly views 61,000 plus. Okay, means 61,000 plus views I have right here on the Pinterest, only 299 followers. It means that on Pinterest these types of contents are popular, and these types of contents are trending, and many people are making a huge amount of money, and many people are searching these types of contents right here on the Pinterest. So that's why I just recommend you to use the same strategy and the same tips and tricks and make money from that right away here. So the first tip is that you need to sign up for a free Pinterest account right here. Once you sign up right here, the next tip will be that you simply just click right here and click on the setting option right here. Once you click on the setting option, then you can simply just visit to this page right here. Okay, and then you can simply scroll down. You can simply add your name, about section right here. For example, pronouns, you can simply add it right here. And the coolest part is here on the Pinterest, you can simply see the option website, and you can simply just put your Linktree link right here. Once you just put your Linktree link right away here, okay, so the next step will be that you can simply just click on the save button. So once you click on the save button, then you can start promoting right here. So what you need to do and how you can promote that, I will just show you. If you just simply type in the search for example, on the Pinterest, if you just simply type it, for example, gift card, okay, let me just tap gift card, and you can simply see here many people that they are promoting the gift card right over here. You can simply see all these image for the different gift cards right here. Okay, some people are just promoting gift cards for other reason. Some people are just promoting for money, something like that right over here. Like you can simply see here, carbon fiber gear 500 gift card. Okay, so you can simply see here. If you just tap here, for example, PayPal or PayPal gift card, so you can also see the result of the PayPal gift cards right here. And many people you can simply see here. Okay, as you can simply see here, $50 Amazon gift cards right here. 17 ways to get free PayPal money. Okay, so this is also available PayPal gift card right here. Okay. So if you just type it PayPal gift card, you will also see multiple offers for PayPal gift card right here. So people are really interested on Pinterest for free things and free products and free offers right here. So that's why they are trying their best. So this is a fan of $100 of gift card right here, as you can simply see here. And if you scroll down right here, you can simply see here Amazon gift card right here. Okay, and if you see here, this is another one, Apple gift card right here. People are promoting and many people are interested. So what you need to do, the first step, let me show you one or two more examples right here. So as you can simply see here, this guy has having only 17,000 followers, and they had having monthly views something like 482,000 plus followers they have, something like that. And if you just go to another account right here with only 92 followers but 30,000 views, okay, so they are promoting the gift cards right away here. As you can simply see here, there are different Uber gift cards, say safe card codes, for example, giveaway, and other free gift cards they are promoting. So for you, what you need to do once you add your link and your setting of the Pinterest, the next step for you will be that, for example, these are the people that they are following. For example, these are the people or the followers right here. So you just need to click on these people right here, and you just need to follow these guys right here. Or even you can simply just open in a new tab right here, for example. And let me just open in a new tab. So one by one, you can simply open right here, and you just need to follow him or her, and she will follow also you. And then you can simply click on the message option and you can message her or him. Okay, so what you need to do in the message section, you can simply just type it to people, for example, that we have the free gift cards right away giveaway if anyone you are interested. Or you can simply tab it, I have seen you on Pinterest and you are having the eagerness or you are interested with the free gift cards right here. So we are announcing the free gift cards. If you like that, so check out the link in our bio right here. So remember, you don't need to put your link right here. You just need to add a simple text that we are announcing the free gift card or something like that, and then you can simply click the send button, and that will be sent. Remember, do not never just put your affiliate link or CPA link or your Linktree link in the message section, because you have already put it right here, for example, in the setting option. So that's why it is important and it is interesting that you can simply see here. Because if you just put your link right here, people from all over the world, for example, when they are going to your Pinterest, uh, when they are going to your Pinterest account right here, and or you send them the message something like check out the link in our bio. So when they are coming to your account, so your link will something be visible like this one right here. So this is the website right here, but our link will be shown right here the same way, and the same strategy will happen right here, and people can simply click and sign up and you can earn the money from that. So that is number one, the best and coolest way that to make money online on a two-pillar system without requiring special skills. You simply copy and paste something like that. And remember, you just need to put some images right here, for example, from the gift card right here. For example, if these are the gift cards, you just need to download some of these cards right here, and you just need to upload your account right here. By that way, people, when they visit into your page or account, so they can simply and clearly see that you are also promoting and you are also having the free gift card. So that's why they can follow you and take engagement and take action on your account right here, and take action on your link of the link tree, and they can sign up for different offers right here that you are promoting. So this was the coolest and exciting way that I was about to share with you in today's video, and you will definitely like that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So if you want to have a step-by-step training that how you can make money and exact a two-pillar system and easy way from A to Z, check out the first link in the description of this video, and you can start promoting your CPA link or affiliate link on a two-pillar system. So thank you for watching. Till next brand video. See you awesome with enjoyable moments.